Dang, this thing looks sick.
Whoa!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In the last one, we took apart the whole rear end of the Corvette. We still have a couple things we need to get done back here, like the exhaust. I just ordered a new one yesterday, actually last night, so it'll be here within the next couple of days. We need to chop off this crash bar back here, but our main thing we want to get to today is actually starting the car, because we don't know why it's not starting. It's cranking, but there's no fuel going to it. So it's either a fuel pump issue, it could be a fuse box issue, who knows. So let's try to figure that out right now.
Boxed in, huh?
Already ahead on time.
Right.
Super clean.
Looks so clean.
Like in the last video, where like super clean.
And your hands all, fingers all dirty. Alright, so
here's the fuse box itself. Do you have a? Oh, here it is. What do you have? 13 is this yellow one right here. It's this yellow one right here.
20?
Yeah. Let me see. I can't get out with my fingers.
Why don't we think of checking the fuses last time, huh?
I don't know. I thought we did check a couple fuses, but you just don't look.
What do you mean, it's blown?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Let's try
That might
putting
be it right there then, huh?
Yeah, let's try putting in a new one.
Because I know after an accident, it usually blows some fuse or something, so you can't start it. Usually there's a, somebody said in the comment in the last video,
there's some relay or something
like some reset button, but I did some research and Corvettes that actually don't have those.
Yeah.
So
let's swap this out and see if it'll give us what we need.
So you got the new fuse.
So I got the new fuse. Let's see if this thing goes in.
It's gonna go in.
Okay, so we got that in. Let's go get a battery since this one's dead.
Let's see if we can start it up. All charged up and ready.
We've been charging up this battery for a day now, so hopefully it'll start it up.
Imagine it's just the fuse and that's it. I mean, there's no blown airbags or anything, so I don't see why there would be anything more than that. All right, here, hold it, Vita. Here, take the camera.
Moment of truth right here.
Huh? Nope. Nope. So blue again or what?
Yeah. That's worse. So it just blew another fuse. So some sort of wiring issue. It's short circuiting somewhere. So yeah, we're messing around with all the wiring, trying to figure out what is blowing that fuse. And come here, once we hook up the fuel pump itself into this, the wiring harness right here, it blows the fuse every single time we try to start the car. So obviously it has to do with the fuel pump at this point. I don't know if it's just jamming up on itself or not. Somebody in the comments in the last video actually said that the fuel pumps on these C5s are just trash. So I went ahead and just ordered another one. It's gonna be here later today or tomorrow morning. So while we're waiting on that, let's go ahead and drop the fuel tank, take the pump out, and then see what else we can get done today.
Peel that off.
Beautiful.
Damn, look at that.
Now that everything's reassembled, we got the car on the ground. Let's see if this thing starts. I hear the fuel pump.
Oh, let's go. How do you feel?
I'm very relieved.
Finally, dude. So it was just a pump, huh?
I know, literally. I did some research on these, and people were saying the 2004 Corvettes tend to have fuel pump issues, so this is probably the factory fuel pump. The thing's only had 40,000 miles and it blew out on it, so it's a pretty evident issue, I guess.
Give it some revs.
So that's going to be it for this video. We got a lot of work done today. We're still waiting on all the parts that we ordered. I should be going to pick up some of them tomorrow. So in the next one, we're going to be installing the tub and trying to get some of the body panels on. But that's going to be it for today. I just want to say thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah.
Peace.
Yeah, peace.